Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stock market investing, focusing on 4 fundamentally strong and undervalued PSU banks that could potentially skyrocket your portfolio. But before we proceed, remember, investing in stocks carries risks, and it's always wise to consult with a financial aid. First up, we have Canara Bank. With a current market price of INR 615.00 and a market capitalization of a staggering INR 111,506 lakh crore, Canara Bank recently announced a 1.5 stock split approved by its board in February 2024, set to take place in May 2024. Currently trading at just 1 times its revenue, this stock has significant upside potential. With a net profit margin of 10%, our analysis suggests it could surge up to 100% in the next fiscal year and potentially reach 5 times its current value over the next 3 years. Next on our list is Union Bank of India. With a current market price of INR 160.20 and a market capitalization of INR 112,290 lakh crore, Union Bank of India also boasts a valuation of just 1 times its revenue. With a healthy net profit margin of 15%, our analysis indicates it could see a 100% increase in the next fiscal year. Moving on, we have Indian Bank priced at INR 534.95 with a market capitalization of INR 72,009 crore. Indian Bank stands out with its 1 times revenue valuation. Sporting a robust net profit margin of 20%, our analysis suggests it could also double in the next fiscal year and possibly grow 5-fold over the next 3 years. Last but not least, we have Bank of Maharashtra. Currently trading at INR 65.70 with a market capitalization of INR 46,503 crore, Bank of Maharashtra shares the same 1 times revenue valuation as its peers. With a net profit margin of 20%, our analysis predicts a potential 100% increase in the next fiscal year. Now, before you rush to invest, remember that all investments come with risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and seek advice from professionals. These stocks present compelling opportunities, but always invest with caution and for the long term. That wraps up our discussion for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing!